This lesson is for class 1. Chapter's name is Computer Mouse. I've explained the 4 actions of a mouse, but today I will show you in this part. I've made it into 2 parts. This is called the second part, how to use a mouse. Now I have fixed a mouse with my laptop. I can use without a mouse here. I have this, but the chapter's name is how to use computer mouse. I have fixed this mouse. Now if you can see, I have put it on a pad. Now it has 2 buttons, left and right. Okay, you have to place it like this, and this is the wheel, scroll wheel. Okay, now what's the use of left button? Now you can, if you can see the screen, this is the mouse pointer. Okay, now as I told you, mouse is a pointing device. You can point anywhere. Suppose I want to highlight this. Okay, so just simply click. Yes, can you see the change? Yes, it has highlighted. Okay, let me go here. Let's say maths assignment. Yes. Okay, so this left button is just to point and select. Now I have selected this. I have selected this document. Okay, these are actually all icons here. Now this is the use of left button. Now if I click right button now, just click this here and just see what happens. I've clicked here. You get a list of this. Okay, new settings and all. Okay, if I click here on this area, so you'll get this option. If I click here, let's say in maths assignment. Okay, can you see so many options have come? Open, edit, news. So I can open it. I can edit this. I can rename this. Can you see the list of commands that you can do now? And you can cut and copy. So with what? By pressing the right button of the mouse. Again, let me do again. If I press it on this area, you will get this option. And if I highlight any icon here, let's say here, and this is the option you are getting. Okay. Now let me click on recycle bin. So these are the options you are getting by right clicking, open, empty, scan, print to start, like that. Okay. Okay. So I've told you what is left button, function of left button. Now I've told you right button. Now let me tell you how to drag and drop. Drag and drop. Now suppose you want to bring this here. There's a file here, PDF file here. You want to bring it here, in this area. So what I do, first bring my mouse pointer and then press the left button. Press the left button. Okay, and keep pressing it. Okay, don't move your finger, and then what you do, you just drag it. Can you see? Yes, but don't release the button. Now see just what happens if I release the finger. Yes, so this is called drag and drop. Now you can copy it somewhere else also. Suppose I don't want this. There's a called debug. I want to move it to the recycle bin. Again, bring the mouse pointer. Okay, and press the left button and then drag it. Keep pressing the left button and bring it to the recycle bin and then release the button. Now it has gone to the recycle bin. Okay, this is the use of drag and drop. You can bring it here and you can copy or paste or to somewhere else also. Like here there was a file at debug. I have sent it to recycle bin. Now if I want to open this, I want to open the recycle bin. So how to do this? Or let's say there's a maths assignment. Okay, so again bring the mouse pointer here. Okay, now press the left button twice. That is called double clicking. Okay, let me bring the mouse pointer and I'll press it twice quickly. Okay, now what's happening? It's opening now. It's taking time. Yes. So to open a file or any item or icon, so that is called double clicking. So how to do double clicking? Simply, yes. Can you see? Yes. So this is open now. I can close it. Okay. So to open a file or document, you have to double click. Suppose I want to open this. I want to say, let's say, I want to open this food chain. There's a PDF file here. I want to open this. So what I do, Betu? Yes, left button. I have to press this left button. First bring the pointer. First bring it here. Then double click. Double click means click it twice quickly. Okay. So what will happen? Now it started loading. Okay. Can you see? Yes. It's taking time. So this is double clicking. Now, yes. Now it will open. Can you see? Yes, there's a file here, food chain. Now with the help of my scroll, can you see? I'm using the scroll wheel. I'm using scroll wheel. So what will happen? This page, you can move the page up and down. Okay, can you see? Yes, you can move this up and down because there are 4-5 pages. So I can move it up and down by using the scroll wheel. We call it wheel. Can you see this? Yes, if you can see now, bete. Yes, yes, it's going up and down. Yes, so this is a use of scroll wheel. So boys, try this if you have computer. Okay, try all this. Yes, thank you.